In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shared access on Docusign Esignature. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Docusign, setting up shared access can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Docusign website. You can type in the URL directly or use your favorite search engine to locate the homepage. Once there, look for the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you forget your password or need to register a new account, there are options available to help you troubleshoot these issues. Once logged in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is typically accessible from the main navigation bar and serves as your hub for managing all your documents and activities within Docusign. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll access and manage your documents in the future. Next, look for the My Preferences section. This is where we'll begin setting up shared access. You'll often find My Preferences under your profile or account settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings according to your needs. Now, click on Shared Access. This feature is indispensable if you want to share access to your documents with colleagues or team members. It allows you to delegate signing and management tasks, saving you time and effort. Once in the shared access settings, click on the option labeled Share Access with Others. Here, you can start inviting others to access your Docusign account. Be sure the email addresses you enter are correct to avoid sharing sensitive information with unintended recipients. Pay close attention to prompts for defining the level of access and permissions for each individual. Options may include viewing, signing, or managing documents. Choose the permissions that best align with your team's needs. And just like that, you've successfully set up shared access in Docusign Esignature. This can significantly enhance your team's collaboration by streamlining document workflows. Remember to regularly review and update your shared access settings to maintain both security and efficiency. If you encounter any difficulties or have further questions, Docusign offers comprehensive guides and customer support to assist you. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up shared access in Docusign. We hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Remember, sharing and collaboration are key to maximizing the efficiency of your document workflows. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy signing.